Morning students, today we are going to study the third chapter, weather and climate. Weather and climate. What is the difference between weather and climate? Then first one is that weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time. Then what is the weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time. Then climate. Climate is the condition of the atmosphere over a long period of time. That is the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time, and climate is the condition of the atmosphere over a long period of time. That is the difference between weather and climate. Then the regular pattern of the weather that a place has over a long time, that is climate. Then a place that usually has a very hot summer and a very wet monsoon has a hot and wet climate. Then a place that has a very cold winter and a pleasant summer has a cold climate. Then the way we live depends upon the climate. Then for example, then the kind of houses and that people also build depends upon the climate of a place. Weather can change in a short period of time, but climate is also over a long period of time. Then next one is that the factors that affect the climate of a place. Then some factors that change the climate of a place. Then the climate of a place depends upon the different factors. These are the four important factors that affect the climate. These are latitude or distance from the equator. That is the first point. Latitude or distance from the equator. Then the second one is altitude or height of land. Then third one is that distance from the sea. Fourth one is winds. These four important factors that affect the climate of a place. Okay, once again, four important factors that latitude or distance from the equator, altitude or height of land, distance from the sea, and winds. These are the four important factors that affect the climate of a place. The first point is that latitude or distance from the sea. Latitude or distance from the sea. Then already we know that the equator is 0 degree value. Then that that place also get a most direct sunrise fall directly on that place. So that place is also very hot. Then the latitude of a place tells us how close or far away from its the equator. The nearer of a place to the equator, the hotter or warmer it will be. As we move away from the equator, place also get cooler and cooler, because the rays of the sun less fall directly on that place. So that place is also very cooler. The sun rays fall directly on the equator. That place is also very hot, and far away from the equator or near the poles also very cooler and cooler away the poles, far away from the equator. That is the first point, latitudes or distance from the equator. Latitudes or distance from the equator. Then the second one is that altitude or height of the land. The altitude of a place also affect its climate. Altitude of a place is also affect its climate. Then highlands like mountains or plateaus such as over cooler that places. Then where the land is also the sea level. This is so even if these highlands are close to the equator. Such places, if they are very high, will also get snow. That mountainous regions also covered with ice and snow. Then for example, the Kilimanjaro in Africa is also 5,895 meters high above the sea level. Then fourth point, this is the third one is that distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Water heats or cools more slowly than land. This is why the sea has effect on the climate of a places. That is near it. The sea has an effect both summer and winter. Then the last one is that winds. The winds also affect the climate of a place. The direction of the regular winds that blow at a particular time, the year have an effect on climate too. An example is the monsoon winds. Blow over the Indian subcontinent. The monsoon winds blow over the Indian subcontinent. The southwest monsoon winds blow from every June, early June to September. The monsoon winds blow on early June to September and bring rain in that time. June to September. The northeast monsoon winds with blow in December and January. Northeast monsoon blow in December and January, and southwest monsoon blow from early June to September. Then the southeastern coastal region of India is also bring the monsoon in that time. Then the weather and climate happen because the geography of the Earth's atmosphere and where the place is also located on the Earth. Okay, these are the important factors affect the climate of a place. The latitude or distance from the equator, altitude or height of the land, then distance from the sea and winds. These four important factors that affect the climate of a place. Today we can wind up the class. Thank you.